Hello all, welcome to a new edition of Quick Excel. Today we're going to be going over conditional formatting. So this is highlighting cells based on a certain condition. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So to get to conditional formatting, you've got Home, and then just go to the conditional formatting here. So you'll see there's quite a few options. You can go ahead and play around with some of those. I'm not going to go through them all. I'm just going to show you a couple of the interesting ones. So I'll go over duplicate values and I'll show you how to create a rule based on a formula. So to do the duplicate values, let's just look at the order ID. In some cases, you might be interested to see if there are duplicate values in your data, and you might want to remove them or such. So if you go ahead and select duplicate values from the drop-down, you'll see that you'll get the duplicates highlighted in red, or if you want to do the flip side of that and see the unique values, you can select that from the drop-down and you'll see those in red. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So now say we want to create a rule that looks at how long does it take to ship an order. So we've got ship date and order date. If we want to say what orders did it take more than 5 days to ship, we can go ahead and create conditional formatting for that based on a formula. So you go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then we want to select this last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. And then we're just going to start putting in our formula. So like any other Excel formula, you start with equal, and then we're going to go ahead and select ship date minus order date. So this is going to give us the number of days between the ship date and order date. And then we're going to create a comparison. So is that greater than 5? If it is, it took more than 5 days to ship that order. And then one more important thing, we have to go ahead and get rid of the dollar signs in front of the row number, the 2 in this case, so that we can fill that equation down. The dollar signs in front of the columns don't matter. You can take them out or not, but that's what you have to do. And then we're going to go to format. Let's just do bold and then select color red. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. So at this point, this is only affecting this one cell. So if we have to go back to conditional formatting, and this time go to manage rules instead of the new rules. So let's go ahead and click on that. So you can see the rule we created right here. And now we're just going to change what it applies to. So we're going to select this whole row. So if we start the first one and go Control-Shift down, it will select all the data in that row. And that looks good. Okay, let's select OK. And you can see it started to highlight some of them red. And you can see the ones where it's more than 5 days between them, those are the ones that it's highlighted. So you can see in this case it's 7 days, 7 days again. These are 6, it looks like. So there you go. There's an easy way to highlight cells based on a formula or to look for unique or duplicate values. All right, thank you very much.